I am Aaron Kowalski from the JDRF. I am a program director and research director for the JDRF Artificial Pancreas Project. Great. Just this week, we published our study results of the JDRF CGM study group in the New England Journal of Medicine and presented them at the EASD meeting in Rome, which is a large global diabetes meeting. And essentially, this JDRF CGM study was looking at how effective continuous glucose monitors are at helping with people with diabetes get their hemoglobin A1C or HbA1c reading down. The results were very, very promising. As you'll see in the New England Journal paper, adults with diabetes were able to lower their A1Cs by over 0.5% without hypoglycemia increases. Each of the secondary outcome metrics were statistically very positive in the adult cohort. Percentage of people getting to target, percent of people with a 10% relative reduction in A1C. You may recall that the DCCT trial, that was the landmark study of diabetic complications, showed a 10% reduction in A1C was correlated to a 40% reduction in diabetic retinopathy. So this is very significant. One of the other things the study showed was that in younger people, and we subdivided this into three specific age groups: younger children, teens and adolescents, and then adults. In the younger age group, all the secondary outcomes were statistically positive, but not the A1C reduction. And in the middle group, the A1C and the secondary outcomes weren't statistically positive. And what this showed, and what we presented in Rome, was there seems to be barriers to children, teens, and young adults gaining the maximum effect from a continuous glucose monitor. If you look at some secondary analyses that we're currently performing, there seems to be a high level of interaction between use and the HbA1c outcome. So what we think is the CGM is providing a powerful tool, but in some populations, particularly teenagers, there are some barriers that need to be addressed. Those barriers might be psychosocial issues, might be the size of the device and making it more convenient for teens to use, and those are subsequent things that we're looking at and studying now here at JDRF.